Hi, my name is Oля, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial for muted smoky eyes makeup. If smoky eyes, like traditional version, never looked good on you, then I really encourage you to watch this video, because this way will make your eyes stand out more and it just will enhance your natural beauty. I'm someone who never looked good with like dark smoky makeup because it just looked not the way I want to do. So if you are like this, please watch this video. I hope it will help you. So let's start. Okay, the first thing I like to do is to add contour, a little bit of contour to my upper lid. It makes my eyes stand out more, so I really like it. I'm using this contour to Cool for School and in the shade Neutral. So take your brush and add contour here, and I add just a little bit here. You know, the Lux Maxim thing is kind of popular right now, and this actually does its job. It enhances your natural beauty because you just add a little bit of shadows that you already have, and it just does an amazing job. We're done with contour. Now we need black eyeshadow because this is smoky eyes makeup. Can be black, dark brown, whatever you want. So done. Close your eye and just go. Oh wow. And upper lash line and under your lower lash line. The emphasis here on the lower lash line, because I think that this type of smoky eye just looks better on me personally. So yeah. You see. Okay, trust the process. Try to use this shadow that we already have and go up here as well, where we already have done contour. We are slightly adding this dark color to our eyes, so this is the method of applying. And just pay attention to, I'm constantly blending, because the dark shadows, you just need to sit and blend them, because when you do it long enough, like look, it becomes pretty as I do it. So now it looks like this. I don't like harsh lines, so I'm just gonna go over with my finger here. The next, you take the same black and add. I'm gonna look in my mirror here. You see? It looks like real weird spot, but just very gently continue to blend it. Don't go over everywhere, just try to blend it right here and don't go too far. Now we need to add white shadow. It's not really white, in my case it's like more beige, and add it here. This part has to stand out here, and this color will blend everything else beautifully. Also add, you see above we have like this harsh line, just add the same color above. It will blend everything. Now here So this is the base of our today's eye makeup. Let me do this eye and you will see how it looks. You see, now it looks like it's gray and not black because we literally just blended two eyeshadows, black and white. It just looks more nicer in a way because when I use way too much of black on my eyes, it just looks really weird, but right now it's just more balanced and it just looks cute. When I started doing it, I was like, wait, I can pull it off because I always like did smoky eyes makeup, just it was black everywhere and it looked so weird, like it was like koala thing, you know. The most important thing in this makeup is how you do your eyeliner. I always do my eyeliner going from, you know, a little bit upper and like this, just my normal, the way I do it every day. But for this makeup we need to do our eyeliner lower. We need to follow the shape of our eye here because it will balance everything. I need to follow this line. It has to be this low, you see, like this. I'm gonna show you. You see, look at this method. The heaviness of this makeup goes lower, so it's literally here, and this, like the way we do our eyeliner here, it just brings this heaviness of this makeup even more down. And the last step is mascara. So this is what we're getting. It's not as dark as smoky eyes makeup perceived, because when you Google smoky eyes makeup, it's crazy, it's really dark. And for people like me, when they're not really good, like with this dark shadows on their eyes, this is the best, like, muted smoky eyes makeup, because honestly, it looks amazing. It makes your eyes stand out. By the way, this is my bananas. They're not giving me any bananas, but I hope they will. So this was the tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Follow my Instagram, I post a lot of ideas there.